How to delete the Instagram chat from the both sides. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete your chats from your Instagram in the both sides. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your Instagram and you just have to go and open up your DM. Now you just have to select the chat in which you want to delete from the both side. So now once you're in, now from here you can delete any specific message. For that you just have to tap and hold that message, and as you can see that here is the option of the delete. You just have to click on it, and after that as you can see that here is the option that this message will be deleted for you. You just have to tap on it. Now here is the confirmation to delete that chat. You just have to tap on it and you are able to delete the specific message. Now if you want to delete the whole chat you just have to go back and you just have to select the chat, and you just have to press and hold the chat in your left side and you just have to click on it, and as you can see that here is the option of the delete, and from here you just have to delete the chat because the Instagram doesn't give you any option to delete your Instagram chat for the both side. So you can delete the chat from your side only. So this is how you can delete your Instagram chat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.